So pros, guess what? Today I'm getting my first lace install. Oh my gosh, super duper excited. But let me slide this to the left because I'm so excited to also announce that we have officially launched this year's fundraiser item for our daughter's trip to Scotland. You guys know this is Adriana's senior year. This is also Alex's junior year. All jokes aside, no, I'm still joking because that's just Crystal. This year we decided that we wanted to do a really cute gift bundle, but we wanted it to be catered towards Scotland. Y'all like my nails? Y'all see my ADHD just kicked in? We wanted to make it something so super duper cute, but it also put in your mind the feel of you being in Scotland with them. So we are doing a combination gift set that has our custom made tote bags that have blooming beautifully on the bag. Look at this. This design is a custom made design. It has the Scottish flower. It also has a map of Scotland with the pounds and the money on there. It has a Scottish flag, and then it also says Scotland right here. The theme this year is blooming beautifully because you are a beautiful person who's always blossoming, right? We're always blooming. On top of just the tote bag, you also get a custom compact mirror that says, sometimes you forget you're beautiful, so this is your reminder. And then it has a little compact mirror. It also comes with a custom made Scottish bloom candle in this gold tin. Yes, I love this. This is super cute. Oh my God. And this is a custom scent that we actually created just for this collection, this fundraiser, everything in it. On top of these, you also get a makeup bag that goes inside your bag. Every single bag has a different color handle with the matching bag. So everyone will have a different color bag. No one will have the same color bag. Everyone will have a candle and everyone will have a compact. So the bag comes with automatically 1, 2, 3 pieces plus the tote bag. Now here's the extra, because Crystal's extra. You also get to choose whether you want the bag with a Biotin Boost Serum, because you're giving this as a gift. You always want to make sure you give them all the good stuff, all the goodies, right? Or you can get our custom limited edition body gloss and glaze with our new winter scent. We have 2. It'll be a surprise, but you will get a scent that you've never had that is not available. It is none of the scents that we have. These are actually our winter scents that have not even released yet. You get a choice of which type bag you like, whether it be this one or this one, and that will come with your bag as well. I want to show you guys how much can actually fit in these blooming beautiful tote bags. First and foremost, the makeup bag. We're going to put our compact in there because I need to always see my face. My Biotin Boost Serum in there. I got to pay for my hair, so I'm going to put my debit card, my ID, and some money. I can't go anywhere without my car keys. So all of that is going to go into the makeup bag, which the makeup bag can still actually fit more. So you know what? Let me go ahead and put my pen in there, and then we're going to zip this baby up. Now, inside of our bag, I'm always working. I'm a business person. So I'm going to put my laptop and my project for today inside my bag. I'm always creating content, so I'm going to put my selfie stick inside my bag. You cannot go anywhere without a calculator. I'm very old school. I need one that's physically in my hand, not on my phone. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to go ahead and put my makeup bag in there. I don't want people in my business, so I'm going to put my Ray-Bans inside there. I definitely do want to make sure that my fingers and my nails and everything else is not ashy. So I'm going to put a Radiant Glow Body Gloss and Glaze in there. And then I'm going to give this as a gift to my hairstylist because she's also my friend. So I'm going to put the candle back in there. That baby held all of that stuff. Come on, y'all. If you guys don't go get you this bundle, first and foremost, it's a fundraiser for the girls. But secondly, it's just super duper cute. We are stepping it up this year. So make sure you go and get you one of these. How you're going to get it? The link is down in the description box. The link is also on the screen. The link is also in my bio. So all you got to do is click and it will take you straight there. Go ahead, grab your bundles, support my daughter's fundraiser because they're going to Scotland and I'm super duper excited.